Now you have to observe about that. In the last session, we observed about the lysosomes. What is that? Lysosomes. And next, in this session, we need to discuss about the little more information about engine of cell. What is that? Engine of cell. So what is the engine of cell? Ribosome. Where it is occurs, how it can work, what is the function of ribosomes, we need to find it out. Here, these are microsomic organelles in a cell. Microsomic. It is very little. And first, one of the scientists observed in 1941. Which scientist? Claude. Who is that? Claude. Claude scientist observed in one of the cell as a microsome in the first, and next term actually for that it is given a name. Coined is nothing but it is a name. So the type of microsomic organelles are being placed in the cell. They have given a name to that. It has a ribosome. So this term was given by Plaid. What is that? Plaid scientist in 1955. So where it is occurs, it accepts mammalian RBC, red blood cells. What is that? Mammalian red blood cells. All living cells have ribosomes. In prokaryotics, both prokaryotics and eukaryotic cells. Okay. So here we need to be observed about that all living cells have ribosomes. In where it is not occurs, only in mammalian red blood cells, it does not have that ribosomes. And so here we need to be observed about the ribosomes are very smallest and membranous cell organelles. It does not have that any membranous, and it is very minute compared to other organelles. It has minute. So let us already we observe now where it is occurs in both the plant cells, in the both that eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cells. Both of them it is having now. So in both the cells does not have any systematic. Because of that it has the different shape and different sizes. So based on this, on the basis of their sedimentation coefficient, so how it should be present in the cell, whether it is the eukaryotic or prokaryotics. What is the prokaryotic, eukaryotic? Have you have an idea about these eukaryotics and prokaryotics? Already I told to you. Once again I am repeating that eukaryotics is having that a prominent nucleus. Around the nucleus, nuclear membrane is present in the eukaryotic cells, whereas the prokaryotic cells does not have that any nucleus. In the nuclear membrane is also absent in prokaryotic cells. In the prokaryotic cells have only 70s. What is that? 70s ribosomes. It is a types of ribosomes. The type is 70s type is present in prokaryotic cells, whereas the 80s ribosome is present in eukaryotic cells. In these again we are segregating that two of the ribosomes are bonding, are connected with each other, it has the two subunits are there. What is that? It has two subunits are there. In the 70S ribosomes has two subunits. One is larger and one is the smaller one. One is larger and one is the smaller subunit. So in this larger subunit, 50S, it is comparatively that in the, what is that? In that 70S, in that 70S, what it is there? Larger subunits 50S it will be, and smaller subunit 30S it should be. So based on the movement, completely it is not equivalent to the 70S. It is the name of the ribosome. It is the name of the ribosome. When it is separating that, when it is connecting that, the larger one is completely 50S it will be, and smaller one it is that 30S it will be. And here in the eukaryotics, already I told that 80S ribosomes are there. So these is also having that two types of ribosome, two types of subunits are there. That is also larger and smaller. Larger is having that 60S and smaller subunit is having that 40S. 40? Yes. So here they have mentioned. And what is the function of the ribosomes? It is mainly the ribosomes are site of protein synthesis. What is that? Site of protein synthesis. So these are also called protein factories. These are also called, what is that? Protein. So here, what is that? What we observed? What we observed? Here, what is the function of ribosomes? It is a site of protein synthesis. What is the synthesis? Meaning of synthesis? It is consist of different types of elements. Different types of material should be joined together and to form a whole component. It is a meaning of large quantity it should be making in this process. So this is known as the synthesis. So these are also called protein factories. So these, which is that these proteins combine, these proteins by joining with that amino acids. Joining with that, what is that? Amino acids. So at the time of protein synthesis, several ribosomes become attached to mRNA. What is the meaning of mRNA? mRNA is nothing but it is a messenger RNA, ribonucleic acid. Messenger ribonucleic acid. Actually, the DNA, what is the differences? Little differences between the DNA and RNA. DNA have the double threads. It is a double helix in structure. It is that way. Double helix in structure. It is a combined and ladder in structure. RNA is having that only the single. It is combined with the different. Okay. So here the molecules of A, G, T, C. These are the codings should be connected with the DNA. Connected with the DNA. Whereas RNA, it is that A, G, U, C. So this is that adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. So these are the coding is attached to the DNA, and here adenine, guanine, cytosine, which is that U is uracil. What is that? Uracil. U is nothing but it is that. What is that? Uracil. Here U is uracil. Okay. So these, and now you see these. So here, what is that? With the help of smaller subunits, with the help of a smaller subunit. What is that here? It is a larger unit of ribosome. Larger unit of ribosome. Here what is that? Smaller unit of ribosome. So for example, in the prokaryotics, it is a 30S. In this, what is this? This is that 50. Yes, 50. Yes. So when it is travel through that towards to, wait, I will take this one more color. Travel through that in the smaller unit of subunit of ribosome. So at the moment which is combining with that. So here mRNA having that different code like that. What is that? A, it is combined with that U. G is combined with that C. Okay, so this like is the manner, and it is that when it is traveling of that amino acids, it making that protein synthesis. So these, when it is having that protein synthesis, it should be connected with that A. For example, here it is the A is there, means in the mRNA it should connect with that U. So these both it should be combined to make the framing of a RNA. So when it is travel through that, like it is, this is that mRNA. When it is that, this is the mRNA. So having that U, it is there, A, G, C, like it is there. So this is that U is connected with that A is connected with that U, G is connected with that C is connected with the G. Okay, like this manner. This is the thread of the mRNA. What is this? This is the thread of mRNA. So like it is the manner, the where it is traveling through that smaller subunit of the mRNA, travel through that smaller subunit of mRNA, it combined with that, connected with that amino acids synthesized by the ribosomes of proteins. The proteins, by joining with that amino acids and combining with that to forming the proteins. The proteins are used in that many cellular respirations or metabolic functions for using of much protein levels within a cell. And then now see this with the help of smaller subunits, and this structure is called polyribosomes. What is that? It is that this is structure of is known as polyribosomes or polysome or ergosome. Polysome or ergosome. Okay, now I can show you the picturization. Wait and see that pictures. See, in these pictures we need to be observed about that. In this picture we need to be observed about that. This is the large subunit. What is that? It is a large subunit of ribosome. It is a small subunit of ribosomes. Okay, so we have observed in this picture these two are the. So what is this? This is a mRNA. What is this? This is a mRNA. What is that? M already I told that messenger RNA. So this messenger RNA, here it is that mentioned, actually tRNA they did not mention in our syllabus, but it is a transmission of RNA. What is that? Transmission of RNA. So how these both of the tRNA or rRNA, tRNA or rRNA. So we need to be write that, sorry, shall I write that? tRNA. T is that we need to be write the T is that in a small letter, tRNA and rRNA. Okay, so this transmission of RNAs, both are transmission of RNAs. mRNA is nothing but it is a messenger RNA. So how these RNAs will be formed? Okay, so when these keep aside this question. So what is that? Amino acid chain is there, no? So these amino acids can be making to that protein synthesized acids. What is that? It is a protein. It should be present in them. Okay, so one more picturization you can observe that these, it is that codons are there. What is that? It is a codons. Already I told that mRNA. What is that? A U G C. So it is that codon. It is there. 5 codon or 3 codons. Okay, 3 codons are there or 5 codons are there in these. And one more picturization. Based on this picturization, we can observe that letters we need to be see how the ribosomes will how the RNAs are formed. That see in this picture, this is what is this? It is that it is a nucleus. So what is that? It is a nucleus, which is that lines are there, no? So this is the nucleus. Within the nucleus, what it is there? DNA it is there. Within the nucleus, what it is there? DNA it is there. Within the DNA, it is having the double helix in structure. Already I told the double helix in structure. Okay. So when it is that transcription means it is that it going to be divided. When it is required that protein synthesize proteins are required to a cell for the metabolic purpose of a cell. So this DNA is going to be that transcription. So when the coding is opposite direction, automatically it can be required that proteins to a cell, so that this DNA is converted into that rRNA or tRNA. Which is the green in color, it is there, no? rRNA or tRNA. So here in this intron it is there, dividation of rRNA and tRNA. Okay, so what is that intron? That in this rRNA and tRNA it is making that. Within this rRNA and tRNA it is making to that pre-mRNA. For understanding purpose I am showing this picture. See children. Okay, and now what is this? Here it is mentioned that a caplex structures it is mentioned, and it is forming that finished of mRNA. So this, what is that? After coding, proper coding is added to that RNA. So it is adding to that finished of mRNA. So these finished of mRNA will come out from the nucleus. As well the rRNA and tRNA will be come out from the nucleus. Okay, so these in the cytosol is nothing but it is a, what is that? Cytosol is nothing but it is a, what is that? Cytosome in the cytoplasm. Okay, in this cytoplasm what it is there? Amino acid pools are there. So these amino acid pools, it is a blue in color. These amino acid pools can be connected with the tRNA or rRNA. It is connected with the tRNA or rRNA. So when these amino acid pools will connected with the tRNA or rRNA, then it should be charged. It should be synthesized of proteins. Okay, so these it should be have to connected, and it should be travel into that ribosomes. So what is the ribosome? It is the larger ribosome, it is a smaller ribosome, smaller subunit of ribosome. So when it is towards to the translation of mRNA, what is this? This is the mRNA. So this, it is having that coding of, which is that AGUC, like it is there, anti-coding of tRNA or rRNA, it should be there. So these amino acids, it should be maintained that anti-coding means A is nothing but is the U it is having that G, it is nothing but is that C. So for that amino acids having that anti-coding of translation, it should be present. It should be present to that, and the larger unit of ribosomes should be connected. It should be give that energy to this. So at the moment it is forming that, and it should be combined with each and every mRNA to coding of amino acids can be protein synthesized. after this is that the ribosomal subunity having that the ribosomal proteins should be combined. Okay, ribosomal proteins should be combined, then it should be reversible and should be and they can be get it of what it is that they can be get it of energy protein synthesis, and they can utilize for their metabolic activities of a cell. Okay children, thank you so much.